From the man who redefined Indian storytelling with laughter, love, and a touch of fear, comes yet another cinematic adventure. The World of Thama, the much-awaited 2025 Hindi romantic comedy horror, marks the fifth chapter in the iconic Mad Dog horror comedy universe. Directed by Aditya Sarpotdar and penned by the brilliant minds of Niren Bhatt, Suresh Mathew, and Arun Falara, the film brings together a powerhouse cast: Ayushmann Khurrana, Rashmika Mandanna, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and Paresh Rawal. At the heart of it all is visionary producer Dinesh Vijan, whose knack for blending unique genres has shaped a new wave of Indian cinema. This documentary takes you inside his journey, his creative process, and the making of magic that is set to thrill audiences once again.
सर मेरी यहाँ फटी पड़ी है, आप शायरी पेल रहे हो।
तेरी 1 मिनट में फट गई, यहाँ बरसों से फट के गुफा हो गई।
मुझे क्या हो गया है? आज अलग सा लग रहा है।
मेरी पल्स, मेरी हार्ट बीट फील नहीं हो रही है। हेलो।
अब मैं क्या करूंगा? मेरी लाइफ, मेरे एम्बिशन सब खत्म। राजमा चावल कैसे खाऊंगा?
Dinesh Vijan, a name that has become synonymous with fresh storytelling in Bollywood. An Indian film producer and the creative force behind Mad Dog films, he has redefined the pulse of mainstream cinema. From thought-provoking dramas like Badlapur to cultural milestones like Hindi medium and groundbreaking genre benders like Stree, his vision has given audiences over 35 unforgettable films. As the founder of Mad Dog Films, Dinesh Vijan isn't just producing movies, he's building universes, sparking conversations, and reshaping the future of Indian cinema. Born on 26 July 1981 in the bustling city of Mumbai, Maharashtra, Dinesh Vijan, fondly known to his friends and colleagues as Dinu, has journeyed far beyond his roots. At 44, he stands as one of the most influential creative minds in Indian cinema. From the heart of Bollywood's hometown, he carved his own path, transforming from a young dreamer into a producer whose vision has touched millions of lives on screen. Before stepping into the glittering world of cinema, Dinesh Vijan's journey began in the sharp, calculated corridors of finance. As an investment banker at ING Bank, he mastered the language of numbers, strategy, and management. But behind the balance sheets lived a dreamer, one who would soon trade boardrooms for film sets and financial models for cinematic universes. This unique blend of financial acumen and creative vision became the foundation on which Mad Dog Films was built, a powerhouse that continues to redefine Indian storytelling. However, destiny had other plans. According to sources, Dinesh Vijan soon switched gears from banking to filmmaking, a leap of passion that would change the course of his life. Yet, his technical certifications and strong grounding in finance became an invisible backbone, allowing him to navigate the complex business side of cinema with precision. It was this rare fusion of artistry and management that set him apart, shaping him into not just a filmmaker, but a visionary entrepreneur in Bollywood. Beyond the arc lights and the glamour of Bollywood, Dinesh Vijan's personal life has been one of simplicity and quiet elegance. On 13 December 2018, he tied the knot with Pramita Tamwar, a successful real estate professional. Their Mumbai wedding was an intimate affair, graced by close family, friends, and a constellation of Bollywood stars. Unlike the grandeur often associated with celebrity weddings, theirs was marked by warmth, humility, and understated charm. Together, the couple has embraced parenthood with twins, though little is known about them, a conscious choice by Dinesh and Pramita to keep their family life away from the public gaze. For a man who builds cinematic universes for millions, his own universe remains deeply personal, private, and cherished. Dinesh Vijan often calls his wife Pramita his lucky lady, a guiding presence in his life.
they say behind every successful man there's a woman. So since my wife touched me, everything's been turning into gold. So
For a man whose days are consumed by scripts, sets, and the chaos of filmmaking, it is fatherhood that he describes as his true anchor, a wellspring of happiness and stability amid the whirlwind of his fast-paced career. Behind the visionary producer, there is also a devoted husband and father, drawing strength and inspiration from his family. Dinesh Vijan comes from a close-knit Mumbai family, one that has been the quiet strength behind his creative journey. His father, Prem Vijan, once envisioned him carrying forward the family's logistics business, but destiny had other plans. His mother, Kiran Prem Vijan, nurtured his dreams with warmth and encouragement, while his sister, Pooja Vijan, stands beside him as the co-producer of Mad Dog Films, making the company not just a creative hub, but a true family legacy. Today, with his wife Pramita and their twins, Dinesh has built a life that balances the glamour of cinema with the grounding comfort of family. For him, this circle of love and support is not only his foundation, it is also his greatest source of inspiration. In 2004, Dinesh Vijan made a bold leap, leaving behind a secure career in investment banking and stepping into the unknown world of cinema. With no prior experience, no godfather, and no industry connections, he relied solely on his vision and conviction. Just 3 years later, he co-founded Illuminati Films with Saif Ali Khan, delivering cultural milestones like Love Aajkal and Cocktail, films that resonated with a new generation of audiences. But Dinesh's true legacy began in 2012, when he founded Mad Dog Films. What started as a young producer's dream soon grew into one of Bollywood's most respected, content-driven production houses. With the support of his close-knit creative circle, including his sister Pooja and some of the industry's finest directors, Dinesh built Maddak on a simple mantra: tell good stories and tell them well. In 2018, Mad Dog Films redefined Indian cinema by launching the nation's first horror comedy franchise with Asterix 3, a film that became a cultural phenomenon. This was followed by Bhediya, Munja, and the record-shattering Stree 2, which went on to become the highest-grossing Indian film of all time. Mad Dog had created not just a franchise, but a cinematic universe. Beyond horror comedy, Dinesh's production house showcased versatility across genres, from the socially powerful Hindi medium to the heartwarming Mimi, the romantic Zara Hatke Zara Bachke, and the historical epic Chava. Each project reflected his ability to balance fresh, experimental ideas with box office success, revolutionizing Bollywood trends and expanding its creative horizons. Dinesh Vijan is often described as a no-frills producer. He may not be as reclusive as Aditya Chopra of Yash Raj Films, nor as media-savvy as Karan Johar of Dharma Productions, yet he has carved out his own unique space in Bollywood. On the strength of just a few groundbreaking films, Mad Dog Films has risen into the A-League, becoming the studio every filmmaker dreams of collaborating with. How people look at you changes with success, Vijan reflects. True to his grounded nature, he finds his own ways of balancing the chaos of stardom and the pressures of release day. Days before the premiere of Bhool Chuk Maaf, he was spotted in Shirdi, seeking blessings at the Holy Temple, a ritual he began after the success of Zara Hatke Zara Bachke in 2023. For him, it's a moment of calm before the storm of anticipation, a way to keep the stress of filmmaking at bay and stay rooted, no matter how high the box office numbers soar. Over the years, Dinesh Vijan has not only redefined genres but also earned some of Indian cinema's most prestigious honors. With 5 Filmfare wins and 13 nominations, his work continues to resonate with critics and audiences alike. He bagged the coveted Filmfare Award for Best Film with Hindi Medium 2018, while films like Stree 2018, Badlapur 2015, and Love Aajkal 2009 earned multiple nominations, cementing his reputation as a content-first producer. At the IIFA Awards, Stree 2024 was nominated for Best Picture, proving Maddox's horror comedy universe as a global talking point. His productions have also been celebrated at the Zee Cine Awards, Apsara Awards, Mirchi Music Awards, and the Central European Bollywood Awards. Vijan's Love Aajkal 2009 even won the Stardust Reader's Choice Award for Hottest Film of the Year, while Cocktail 2012 and Bala 2019 also picked up honors. Commercially, Maddox's success is reflected in the Etc. Bollywood Business Awards, with both Stree and Bala joining the elite 100 crore club. Most recently, Stree 2, Sarkte Ka Atank 2024 swept the Bollywood Hungama Surfers' Choice Awards, winning Best Film and reaffirming Vijan's grip on audience taste. From edgy dramas like Badlapur to social commentaries like Hindi Medium and trend-setting horror comedies like Stree and Stree 2, Dinesh Vijan's journey is decorated with accolades, a testament to his rare ability to blend artistic merit with box office power. Now, with big-ticket projects like The World of Thama releasing in 2025, Dinesh Vijan and Mad Dog films stand tall as trailblazers, carrying forward a legacy of fearless storytelling, bold experimentation, and unparalleled success. His journey from banker to blockbuster producer is not just the story of a career, but of a man who dared to dream differently, and in doing so, changed the language of Indian cinema forever. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Dinesh Vijan's journey, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow Bollywood fans, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming breakdowns. And hey, drop a comment below with your wildest theory for Mad Dog's horror comedy universe.
गोयल तेरे पंचिंग मशीन जैसे दांत दिखा